What's good, you guys, and welcome back for another video. Today's gonna be a little bit of a busy day, but we're starting the day out getting food because I'm hungry and I love this place. This place is called Arco. It is a Filipino market, and me and Gina have been here a few times. You guys have probably seen us bring you guys here before. But I will start off with my drink, and I'm gonna grab this mango drink, and then Gina's gonna get us a whole bunch of Filipino food, which is always so good. We're gonna get down on some food, and I'll bring you along with us for the day. I wish I knew what like the go-to Filipino snacks were. Like, what is this? A buko salad. I don't know what it is, but it looks creamy. I don't know. A sliced egg pie. I'm like, is that good? I don't know. Normally, if it's purple, I think it's pretty good. Ube. I love ube. I love some flan. This is really cute. I might get me a little flan. You know? Filipinos are technically part Mexican, so them having flan is normal. But yeah, I don't know what the go-to snacks are. This thing, I think that anything that has cheese is pretty good. I don't know what this is, but this looks like it's probably... Is this just cheese or what is this? Rich, soft, and creamy taste. Oh, I think this is just cheese. Never mind. I mean like a snack that has cheese. Like, what is this? Corn oil. Please refrigerate. I don't know. Babe, have you ever had of this?
Yeah, that's Hopi Kundal.
You just read it? Go ahead.
No, this is the Rice Krispies of the Filipino world.
Is it?
Yes.
Yes.
It's from the Chinese deli. It's like ice cream.
Mmm. Well, so far I'm grabbing this and I'm gonna get some baby flan.
Are you gonna actually eat the flan?
Yes, I'm going to eat the flan. I like the flan. The flan is good. What kind of drink are you gonna go for?
I don't know.
Well, I know that you do know what food you're gonna pick for us. You know what it's called. I don't know what it's called, but it's always, I'm telling y'all, it's so good.
Always a good time.
Always a good time. This is what I like. Oh my god, this is so good. It probably looks so like not good, but I swear it's so good. And I think we've had this before. Oh, thank you. You needed a little cart. This food's so good. It probably looks really different to a lot of people, but man, you guys gotta just give it a try. I don't know why, but this chili reminds me of like little maggots. Like in Mexico, we have like drinks and they have like a maggot inside, but I was saying like, what if these like crunchy chili garlic flakes were really just a bunch of little maggots? Chili maggots.
What?
But then this one's like cut up nicely, so yeah. Give me a camera. Alright, you guys can go into Chino's video and watch his. You said this is called what? It's called what? Casabo with macapu? What? Macapuno? It tastes like the mango sticky rice. Babe. Hold on, homies. The dog that she was talking to has been coughing all in the air and stuff. Babe. Babe. Try this. Have a little bite. What do you think?
Bought it?
No, I didn't buy it. She gave me a little piece to try it.
Oh.
And it was so nice. It's really good. I don't know what that was.
That was a young gentleman.
Wait, before you we thought this man that was just sitting on the ground was seizing or needed help.
It was the angle.
It was the angle, like his leg was twitching, his body was like going like this. And then babe, what?
really.
What did we see?
Really, bro was jerking the yerkin, man.
Yanking the chain.
He was pulling on the turkey. He was pulling the chicken.
He was twinking his winking.
He was. Huh, huh, huh.
Bro, that leg twitch was him finished. Feed. My baby. We're back home. Now we're fine to get down some food. I'll show you guys what it looks like in a second. Yes, this is all I was looking forward to today. I promise you guys, this stuff is 10 out of 10. Delicious. Oh my god, I'm gonna show you my plate when I'm done. Yeah, the mat would look nice on your car. I got hiccups.
Valentine's choice is this gyro spot. Oh no, that's a bad sign. They got ice cream and shit.
Late night eats, it says. Late night eats. Up until 2 a.m. And it's kind of fire.
Cool.
Yeah, it's a cool atmosphere, cool little vibe. Good, how you doing? Wow. Alright, let's check this food out. So unfortunately, there's just too much copyright going on here. So we're gonna go eat somewhere else. So we came inside Target. Bro, I've never seen Target this empty. Look at this. How crazy. I don't know if it's because maybe they're just like redoing stuff for the new holiday coming up or what, but even in the very front, they're like Coke stuff. Their Coke stuff is all gone. I mean, they still got, it's not like they don't have product or whatever, they still do. It's just not, there's not like hardly anyone in here for real. Which is good. Keep doing what you're doing. Personally, I'd feel a type of way too if a company I worked for just deported us all when we were just doing our jobs. I get it. That song that Kendrick sings when he yells, what word do you think he's yelling out?
Mustard.
Huh?
Mustard. Mustard on the beat.
What?
Mustard.
Mustard?
Mustard. Yeah.
I thought he was yelling out mustard. Like muster up the courage to do something.
What the fuck? No. Mustard. Mustard on the beat.
Can you tell me if it's mustard or is it mustard?
No, it's mustard.
Someone tell me, please, because I don't know. What are you watching?
Trailer.
Huh?
It's a trailer.
Huh?
A trailer.
What?
Trailer. Trailer.
What about what?
Batman.
Huh?
Sad. Stop. Batman. I'm watching a trailer about Batman.
What?
I'm watching a trailer about Batman. I'm not in the mood. I'm so hangry. Don't me.
I don't understand what you're saying. Can you just say, babe, can you just say it clearly, please? What are you doing? Typing away? You're looking something up?
Estoy viendo un tráiler sobre Batman.
You heard that? You heard that? One more time.
Estoy viendo un tráiler sobre Batman.
Huh?
Say it one more time.
What? I can't hear you.
I'm gonna say it one more
The
time.
ambulance.
Estoy viendo un tráiler sobre Batman.
I don't know. I got a Pepsi. Pepsi.
Unless it's
Dang, I just realized I didn't show you guys how awesome our food looked. Oh, I said, come on,
I'm
you guys.
sure they don't care.
I said, come on, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys my food. The next clip is me just talking and yapping.
I'm sure they don't care.
Huh?
I'm saying I'm sure that they don't care because like if they if they saw your food, they wouldn't really, you know.
Huh?
Shut the fuck up. What?
I seriously don't understand
Not
anything.
repeating myself.
That's fine. I just didn't hear what you said.
Alright.
Babe, is there anything else you want to do tonight? Babe? Is there anything else you want to do tonight?
I don't know yet.
Huh?
I don't know yet. I'm just gonna edit.
Huh? What? Is there anything else you want to do tonight? Huh?
I'm talking.
Why?
Because you're annoying.
What? Why? What did I do?
Because you're just being annoying on purpose.
I just don't. I can't understand what you're saying. Did you want to do anything else?
Am I
or-
speaking Chinese?
Huh?
Huh? Yeah. That's what I'm speaking.
Huh?
Shut it. Stop. Huh?
Do you want to do anything tonight?
Huh?
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 Huh? That's what I thought. Huh?
Why are you doing that?
Cause that's how you sound like.
I don't sound like that.
Huh? Yeah. Cut it out.
So
Nobody
you-
wants to hear. Nobody wants to hear that.
So you don't want to do anything then?
Huh? What'd you say? What was that?
Babe, for reals, do you want to do something? Yes or no?
Ah.
Do you want to do something?
What? That's what you sound like.
So we're not doing nothing.
Okay.
All you had to say was that we're not doing nothing.
No.
No, we're not doing nothing?
Huh?
So are we doing anything tonight or no?
I don't know.
Huh?
Oh my god. Shut up! Shut up! Huh? Are you What's the point of me even talking? Because every time I just say something, it's just
Huh?
Never mind. I'm just gonna go edit.
Are we doing anything?
Oh my god. I told you.
I just want to know. I've been laying down this whole time. I just want to know, like, what are the plans?
I don't know.
Well, can you come up with some plans?
Babe, it's 6:30. I don't know. I'm gonna stay here.
Huh?
I'm gonna stay in. We've been going out every day doing
Huh?
I'm gonna say this in pure form of English. I'm tired of it. I get you're doing a video, you're trying to be funny.
I'm not doing nothing.
Yes, you are, but it's actually like annoying.
Huh?
It's actually
Huh?
annoying. It's annoying. It's annoying.
What are the plans?
Stay
Huh?
home. Huh? Huh? Leave me alone, dude.
You made me slobber on myself.
Okay, now leave me alone.
Huh?
All day. Go bug the dogs with that. Leave me.
Yumi! Huh?
Yeah. Run for your life, Yumi. Run. Come on, let's go. Run for your life.
So we're not doing nothing.
Run.
Can you just tell me, are we doing anything for real? No, for real, please. I just want to know. Are we doing anything?
Me and Yumi are leaving. See you later.
No, babe, seriously, please. Are we gonna go somewhere? I want to know. Stop. Are we doing anything today?
If you want.
Huh?
Oh my god.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 난 겨울. Yeah, 가요 blood. Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 children. 꿈에도 I wasn't aware. 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게 참 친절해.